Hello there. We're back. Day number 2. This lesson is for Denominators. And it is for Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be exploring linear equations in real-world problems. I have a long one today. It's a multi-step problem. It's what we're going to tackle next. And I'm going to kind of lead you through this problem and then kick it to you. And for your independent practice today, you are going to be solving some multi-step problems using the same similar structure and setup as this one as your guide. So the problem today is about a gym membership. Your gym membership costs $33 per month after an initial membership fee. You have paid a total of $228 after 6 months. Write an equation that gives the total cost as a function of the length of your gym membership in months. Find the total cost after 9 months. Now, there are several steps, as we said. In fact, there's 5 steps to this problem. Step number 1 is to identify the rate of change and the initial membership fee. Now, or in this case, it would be the starting value. So the rate of change, we would say, from the problem would be what? Well, we can look at the rate of change as the monthly cost. So it costs $33 per month. So that would be your rate of change. Now, we can label this as M, and the rate of change is going to be $33. The second thing that we need to do is identify the starting value. I think I gave it away in saying that that would be the initial membership fee, or in this case, it's going to be B. So it's the initial value labeled as B. In this case, we don't know what the initial startup fee or the membership fee would be. So we're going to leave that as just the membership fee. Now, that's step number 1. Step number 2, we are going to write a verbal model to kind of work our way through. So we have the total cost of what this gym membership is going to be. That is going to be the monthly cost times the number of months plus the initial membership fee. Now, we can write this as an equation. C, which would be the total cost, equals the monthly cost, $33, times the number of months, T, plus the initial value, B. Now, does this equation look at all familiar to you? Well, it should. Does it look something like y equals mx plus b? Dun, 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 dun. There it is. Okay, it appears again. Now, there's different variables, but the equation is the same. So now, we're going to find the starting value. Okay, how do we do that? Well, we say the total cost, right from the problem, is $228. So we're going to take $228 equals 33, and we know that we paid that initial $228 in 6 months. So our time measure here is going to be 6. We still don't know what our initial value is though. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this out. We're going to multiply 33 times 6, and then we're going to divide that on both sides, and we're going to isolate the variable, and we're left with B equals, can anyone do that math? That's right, B equals 30. So our initial starting value would be 30. So we can go back to our equation if we know B equals 30, and we can say, write an equation using the function from step 2. We can say that C, draw a little line here, C equals 33T plus 30, which would be our initial value. Now we can solve for this. We can evaluate the function when t equals 9, because again, we want to solve from our problem after 9 months. So since we know that our time is 9 months that we're trying to solve for, we can plug that in to our time. So c equals 33 times 9 plus 30. Now, when we do this math, we can multiply this and then add 30. That comes out to our total cost after 9 months as being $327. Now, this was a multi-step problem. In fact, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. The problems that I'm going to assign for your independent work are going to be multi-step problems. Please, please, please show your work. I'd love to see your thinking and how you've solved these. Now, we're not going to have a video lesson tomorrow on Wednesday, but we'll meet back here on Thursday. If you have any questions, please meet me for our video conference time from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day, or you can email me anytime between 9 and 2 and expect a prompt response. Hope you're having a good time doing online classes. And again, if you need anything, do not hesitate to reach out. Good luck. See you Thursday.